YouTube, it's about Tyrekevlogs here with me again. Another day in LA, another rainy day in LA. We don't know what we're gonna do yet. So we're going to the beach in this weather, I guess. Just a sightseeing because we ain't gonna go in the water. We also left for swim trunks at home. Wanna go back for it? Just in case? Okay. But yeah, we're just gonna go to the beach just to see what it's like and show you guys too. So let's tag along. We got a whole lot of things we wanna do today, so let's just see what happens. This is the last day here. Like last full day. We have a half a day tomorrow or whatever. So yeah. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. If not, like the video and tell a friend to tell a friend about Tyrekevlogs out here. Alright. It's right here?
Yes.
Second from the left lane?
Second from the left lane to turn left on Universal Studios Boulevard.
Yeah. Chilling right there. Look at that. You want with the hoodie? No, I don't bring my hoodie. I'm gonna take the umbrella though. You out, y'all! These birds are so brave. They don't run from you. Maybe we should run from them. They don't run. As you can see, they don't run from us. Maybe we should be running from them. But guys, y'all play GTA, Grand Theft Auto. Here we go. This is where we at. Right here. She was so fried. Man. There's something I forgot to talk about, y'all. Like, we've been seeing so much damn homeless people. Like, why is there so many homeless people here in Los Angeles? So I can't. Look at that. I'm not showing no homeless people. What I'm saying, yo. There's way too much homeless people here. This reminds me of Jamaica, yo. And they just out here. Damn. I know this place is normally full. I don't know why it's so empty. Maybe it's because of the weather though. But I know out here is always packed. When you're doing the mission and you ride down this bicycle down the street, come straight down. And the music is copyright, so I'm gonna cut off. Shit. I can officially say I've taken a photo in a photo booth. I've never done it before. You guys wanna see them? Let me show them. Bam. Yes, sir. Not for your eyes, guys. It's for us. But yeah, I've always seen it. I've always seen people's pictures in it and shit. I've never done it, but I finally did it. And I like how it came out. Yeah, and I can't understand why the water moves so strong to me, the people. The water move too strong, dad. Why is there a bus through sand right here? Check it out. Ooh. Whole lot of shit going on. But I ain't finna touch none of these because of y'all know the coronavirus and shit. So I'm just chilling. Damn, I've never done this before. Babe, you ever did this one? Got the cowboy shit. Yes, sir. Well, we finna get some food real quick because babe didn't eat shit. Shit. That boba gum. How do you pronounce it, babe? Boba gum? How do you pronounce that? Boba gum? Baba gum. Baba gum.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may.
She did it. Damn, alright guys, I know, it's very long. So I don't want to take all of you guys' time or whatever, so I'm gonna wrap this vlog up right here and start another one. Alright, so remember, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more vlogs from my boy Tyrekejt and we ain't a couple channel right now, but yeah. So we finna head out right now. That food was pretty good, but they were playing all copyright music, so I know you guys enjoyed all of the music I put over in the background and shit. So we finna head out and journey some more in this rainy day, but that food hit. I'll see you guys in another vlog. Peace out.